Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna do the best moisturizer for your skin, and you can use it for everyday routine. All you're gonna need is aloe vera and honey and a spray bottle and rose water and a mixer. Let's go ahead and start it. Here I'm gonna start with the aloe vera. I'm gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna take out the inside. And put it in a mixture. I'm gonna use a spoon of honey. And 2 teaspoons of rose water. And mix it. And I use this spray bottle and put it inside. It smells so good, the rose water. This moisturizer, you can use it for every day. It gives your skin soft and smooth. Here I'm gonna spray it on my hand. This moisturizer, you can use it for every day. You can keep it on your skin, on your face for the whole day. And you're gonna see the result when you use it. This recipe, you can put it in the fridge for 5 days and use it for every day. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.